Hello guys and welcome back to Toolbox tutorial. Today we're gonna do some motion graphics, or in other words, how to animate your Instagram post, Facebook post, or even your Instagram stories. So first, what you're gonna do, you're gonna open your project which you have. For this example, we're gonna use this template. So you press customize the template. So let's say we want to animate this picture. As you can see, we have separate elements. So we're gonna select this one, holding shift, we're gonna press this one, and now we're gonna press in the top animate, and we're gonna select some animation. So I want this animations to pop at the same time. We're gonna press pop, and we're gonna add some extra animations to here. So let's say we want to add animation. We're gonna create new animation. So let's say we want to add something like red dot here. So we're pressing here, we go to layers, show all layers. We're gonna move this red dot to the top so we can see it and easily edit it. So now we select it, minimize it a little bit. So for example, we want to animate this picture, so we press create an animation. As you can see, it shows how to do it, really easy and simple. So let's say we want to start it here, moving like this, like this, like this. So now we have animation. So here in the corner, we can select smooth or steady or original. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna select smooth, and as you can see, everything moves smoothly. So this is how you animate your picture. You can use a lot of elements, a lot of animations. For example, we can even move this one if we like. So I hope you learned something, and see you next time.